Automobile engineering is the branch of engineering which deals with designing, manufacturing, mechanical mechanisms, as well operations of automobiles. In this section, we will deal with certain important questions pertaining to automobile engineering. As such, what is the importance of thermostat in the cooling system of an engine? What is the main difference between petrol engine and diesel engine? Differentiate between scavenging and supercharging. Why more lubricating oil is needed in two-stroke engine than four-stroke engines? What causes white smoke in two-stroke locomotive engines, and many more.